We absolutely love it here at the Windrose. We moved in 2 months ago. We have a 6 and a 5-year-old boys. We love the amenities, the pool, the lifestyle. You can walk across the street to Legacy West and the food hall, 30 plus restaurants, great shopping.
You feel like you're in a big city, but you're in this luxurious building and you're out in...
Yeah, it's got everything that you need.
Yeah, you've got everything. We love it.
We want to thank all the guests for coming out with us tonight. But without further ado, we want to get started with showing you guys some of our models.
That's probably good, right?
We love the Windrose!
My name's Sierra Tellez. I'm with Briggs Freeman Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm at the Windrose tonight. This event is incredible. Like always, Daniel and Allison know how to throw a party, and this is a perfect place to have it. If you're looking for somewhere to live, some walkability, some fun things to do, great amenities in this building, the Windrose is the place. Don't miss next time they have an event because they blow it out every time.
Thanks to everyone for coming out. Allison and I just want to say we appreciate everyone. Hope you guys had an amazing time. We had awesome virtual DJ, catered food. Hope you guys enjoyed looking at the different units that we had available today. Hey, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll have the number below in this video. Feel free to reach out to us or look in the descriptions. We'd love to show you the units or give you a private tour. Again, thank you for coming. Hope you guys had a great time, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.